Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the theme of your Apple TV to dark mode. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer like the theme of your Apple TV. How do you actually change it to dark mode? So either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what we're going to do first is access our Apple TV. And then go ahead and click on settings. So from here, you want to click on general. And then from here, you want to click on appearance. So once you click on appearance, you're going to see a variety of different options in which you can set it to light mode, or you can set it to dark mode, or you can even set it to automatic. So on the bottom left hand side there, you just see different prompts in which if you select light or dark to change the appearance of backgrounds and menus. You could also select automatic to change the appearance to dark at night and light during the day. So I really like it set to automatic just so that during the daytime it's a light version and then during nighttime it's a dark version. But that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the appearance to dark mode on your Apple TV. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.